Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start with a quick safety scan. Look for loose screws, torn fabric, or stuck wheels so you avoid issues later. Once done, release the fold latch and pull the frame open until it clicks. This ensures the locking mechanism engages. Next, align the seat and canopy with their mounting slots and slide them in until they snap. This secures the baby's position and guarantees the recline and harness will operate correctly. Now you focus on fit and control because proper adjustments prevent discomfort and tipping. First, set the 5-point harness height so straps sit at or just below shoulder level. Make sure they lay flat without twists. Then adjust the handlebar and footrest to match your posture and the child's leg length, which improves steering and comfort. Finally, decide whether to lock the front swivel for rough surfaces or leave it free for smooth sidewalks. Finish by verifying safety features so you leave confident. Push the stroller, apply both brakes, and try a short incline to confirm it won't roll. Make sure the canopy, storage basket, and any accessories are clipped on and not touching wheels. Loose items can snag. If everything operates smoothly, you're ready to go. If the fold or latch binds, stop, reverse the steps, and check alignment and debris in the latch. Correcting alignment usually fixes jamming quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.